ain't shaved in a couple of days. It's all good though. On my way to Laredo again. It's early in the morning. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. Got about 30 more minutes left on my clock. But I just wanted to jump in this morning and say good morning, first of all. And how should I say this? You guys know I'm trying to get another truck, so I'm gonna go back through SFI and kind of been wrestling with it back and forth. I mean, I'm in my own stuff right now, you know what I'm saying? I think I'm a keeper. And just give me another SFI truck and either sell this one or keep it and just fix it on the side. But yesterday I had a blowout, and as I was waiting for the roadside to come through to fix my blowout on the trailer. Let me get out. Show you. Of course, you know, I am with the Star. I think I want to get up in there and get that out. I don't know what the hell that is. Grand Star. So, 2009 Freightliner. I said Freightliner. Kenworth 2000. Yesterday I had a blowout back here on this inside tire on the rear axle. Got that fixed. And as I was waiting to get it fixed, the SFI truck pulled up next to me. It was one of the Freightliners. Looked like it had been maybe a 23. Y'all see it? This is where I am. You guys want to come on, bring your truck on here. My truck number is 432-458. Talk to the recruiter and tell them that I sent you, that you heard it from me and I referred you. Just put my name out, help a brother out. We both will get $1,000 if you pass qualifications. So yeah, put the brother up. We both help each other out. See, I'm running hazmat. That's pretty much all I do is hazmat. Pays a little better. It's a little heavier than the other loads, but it's all good. Old school can handle it. Like I said, y'all, I'm at Landstar. That's my truck number right there. If y'all want to bring your truck on, talk to a recruiter and tell her that you heard it from your boy Ray and that truck number. But anyway, yesterday, SFI truck passed in front of me and parked next to me. Damn, I can't talk this morning. Parked next to me. I guess it's because I didn't shave. Anyway, it's all good. And I was like, man, that must be a sign. But then I pulled up to this Road Ranger last night, And look what was across from me right here. If y'all been waiting for your SFI trucks, they are on the way. For real. There's about 6 of them out here right now. Going to their destination. I don't know whether it's going to Phoenix or what. That's probably where I go pick mine up at. But if you look, if you're waiting for an SFI truck, they are getting them in, fellas and ladies. And I was looking at the blue one, either the blue one or the red one right here. I'm kind of partial to this red though. And yeah, I was telling Travis that I probably want a Volvo, but it's gonna either be the Volvo or one of these Freightliners. I'm not gonna go no further than that. But yeah, I don't know whether or not these are the brand new ones or not. But yeah, I think all the signs is leading up to me getting another truck, which I said I wanted anyway. But this is that red one. This is Cascadia, and I guess these are the sensors on the side of them. Sensors. Look like a camera too, but I think they're the side sensors. But yeah, if you guys are waiting on your trucks, they're on this way. Hopefully one of these is mine. I know within the next week or so. But yeah, we got a black one here. Cascadia. If I'm not mistaken, these are the used ones. So if you guys are waiting on a used truck, it is here, or it will be there. We got this blue one up here. I like the blue too, I ain't gonna lie. SFI trucks is on its way. See? Which one? Like I said, there's 6 of them over there. My choice is, my main choice is either that red or that blue, so if I have to go back to gray, I do it anyway. But I would prefer the blue or the red. What's going on, man? You driving these trucks? Is that right? I had an SFI truck. Yeah, I had one, and got another one coming. So I saw these over here. I was letting them know that they was on their way. Yeah. You guys, you going to Wisconsin? Okay. Yeah, these going to Green Bay. Yeah. Okay.
No, it's going to Cole County.
Cole County?
Cole County. He's going to the dealer.
Oh.
The Freightliner,
and then the SFI?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Are these the used ones or are these the new ones?
All of them is brand new.
Oh, these are the 2023s?
Yes, sir.
What? Okay. You guys heard it from the driver itself, man. If y'all waiting for your new Cascadias from SFI, it's in this guy's hands right here. What's your name, man?
George.
George, okay.
Manuel.
And Daniel?
Manuel.
Manuel, okay. George and Manuel got y'all's trucks coming, y'all. You see it right here. This is 6 2023s right here. Yeah. We all waiting for our trucks, man. So I saw these over here last night. I was like, oh shit. You know what I'm saying? So yeah. Yeah. So these is on their way to Wisconsin, y'all. I appreciate you, man. Yeah. You guys be safe. Yeah, these are the 2023s. They are on their way, you guys. Yes, sir. These ones here is on their way to Wisconsin. So if you guys gonna be up in the Green Bay area, up that way, I'm sure this is where they're gonna be going. But I guess they got to go to the dealer. Yeah. Brand new 2023s. Slightly used, but still brand new, I guess. Don't mark my words for that shit, but look like they've already been driven, possibly. But then again, maybe not, because they got the plastic and stuff on the seats. Still got the plastic on the seats. This might be the news. That's what he said. Once again, y'all, SFI Truck and Financing. As for your boy Travis Goodman up in the Green Bay, Wisconsin area, he's my guy I've been dealing with. I dealt with for my first truck, and I'm dealing with him again. There you guys have it. The new SFI trucks are on their way. You guys probably been waiting for a minute, for a long time. They slowly but surely getting there, man. Once again, the SFI trucks is on its way. Anyway, thought I'd just jump in and holler at you guys for a minute. This is your boy Nightcrawler Ray Ray, aka the Rooster, aka your old school junkie, aka Mr. Tony Vlogs. Get at me, y'all. Like, comment, share. Let me know where you from. Subscribe. Remember, I got the old school right here, and she rolling. She doing good. If anybody interested in it, hit me up. Let me know. I might sell it. I don't know. But yeah. And Landstar, getting them loads in, man. Getting them loads out, getting them in, all that good stuff. But anyway, it's my time. Got to get on the road, headed to Laredo. I'll let you when I get there. Peace.